I wanted to take a moment on this Veterans Day to talk about something very important to me: raising money for veterans and first responder mental health. We have a responsibility as citizens to help take care of those who take care of us. This year, I'm raising money for an organization called Save a Warrior. They have a large campus in Southern Ohio where warriors engage in storytelling and story listening, and experiences that locate, identify, and resolve the sources of pain once and for all. Before leaving, they initiate long-term behavioral changes which emphasize a daily practice of good and self-care, inspiring warriors to follow a path in life that focuses on serving others. As research shows, that those who focus on connecting with and serving others are far more resilient and content than people who are merely self-focused. I'll be raising awareness and money for this by going on a 50-mile ruck. On November the 16th, 2024 at 4 p.m., I will be stepping off with a small group of friends on a 50-mile walk. We'll walk through the night and arrive at the Ohio Fallen Heroes Memorial the following day, between the hours of 10 a.m. and noon. This 18 to 20-hour journey will test us both physically and mentally. But the reward of pushing yourself through something that you thought was impossible cannot be measured. If you can afford to do so, please go to toddbates50mileruck.com and donate. You provide the dollars. My friends and I will provide the miles. We do this in honor of my good friend Todd Bates. He was my machine gunner in Iraq and died on December the 10th, 2003, while trying to save the life of a fellow soldier who fell into the Tigris River. He is the best man I've ever known, and I miss him daily. Help me keep his memory alive by donating in his name.